Hey everybody, it's A.L.E. Flores again with OrlandoVacation.com, and we're going to be giving you some more tips and tricks on how to make your Orlando vacation the best vacation ever. Today's episode, we're going to be talking about the Universal Disability Pass. So you're going to Universal Studios, but you're worried there may be some issues as far as accommodations go for either yourself or any guest joining you that may have a disability. No worries. Universal has something in place to help. Join us as we go over Universal Studios Disability Pass, AAP, what it is and how it works. And of course, if you haven't yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell icon so you can get notified of new and helpful videos for planning your next Orlando vacation. All right. Universal Orlando Resort is committed to providing a welcoming and inclusive experience for all their guests. For this reason, Universal has an Attractions Assistance Pass put into place, or AAP for short. AAP is used to assist guests who have difficulty with extended waits in a queue line due to a disability. Guests with AAP can go to an attraction, and while AAP typically doesn't allow guests immediate access, guests are assigned a return time based on the current wait time for the queue. For instance, if you go to Harry Potter and the Escape from Gringotts and the wait time is 75 minutes, guests will be assigned to come back to the attractions in about 75 minutes. This is perfect for guests who have difficulty waiting in line for long periods of time and allows guests using AAP to enjoy other experiences inside the Universal parks while they wait. What I would suggest doing if you're going to try to do this with a ride that has a long wait, maybe schedule your lunch right at that point. You got 75 minutes. Go there, go grab something to eat. By the time you're done, you're on the ride. It's going to be great. Now, when we say AAP typically doesn't allow guests immediate access to attractions, this is dependent. If the attraction standard queue is 30 minutes or less, guests with AAP have the option to wait in an alternative queue, typically the express lane for the attraction. Universal's Attractions Assistance Pass can only be used for one attraction at a time, as it does act as a placeholder spot for the standard queue line, so keep that in mind. So, how can you get disability passes at Universal Orlando? Guests can get the Attractions Assistance Pass from guest services located at the front of either Universal or Islands of Adventure. It's important to note that the guest services within City Walk does not allow guests to register for the pass. Guests will need to go to one of the theme park locations. The guest requesting the pass will need to be present and prepared to answer questions from the team member. They will also need to provide as much information as possible to the team member so that they are able to determine whether or not you or your guest is eligible for Attractions Assistance Pass. It's important to note that it is not legally required for guests to provide a doctor's note or medical records when registering for the pass. Due to the Americans with Disabilities Act, you are not required to prove your special need, nor is the team member allowed to ask for a specific diagnosis. Guests can ask to have the pass issued for the entirety of the stay. That way, guests will only need to go through the registration process once. This option is also available for pass holders. However, the pass is only available for up to 14 consecutive days. Overall, Universal's Attractions Assistance Pass is a great way for guests with a disability to fully experience Universal Orlando Resort without any added discomfort from waiting in long queues. If you're looking for more tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation or need help planning, be sure to check out our website at OrlandoVacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and have a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. Thanks a lot. We hope to see you at Universal Studios. Bye-bye.